clear track 511.
Clear track 311, right 360.
Right 360, clear track 511.
Okay, rolling out to Echo.
Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha, turn right at Echo, contact ground.
Right at Echo, over to ground for 7 Charlie.
Clear check 511, short approach approved, runway 26 left, cleared for the option. Number 2, following Cherokee traffic, half mile final.
Number 2, following traffic, and short approach approved for 26 left, clear for the option, clear check 511.
Number 164 Yankee, maintain VFR out of below 2,500. Departure frequency is 125.5. Enter squawk code is 4765.
Brackett ground, Skyhawk 337 Charlie Alpha, off 26 right at Echo, like to taxi back for takeoff.
Skyhawk 337 Charlie Alpha, Brackett ground, runway 26 right, taxi via November.
Taxi to runway 26 right via November for Skyhawk 7 Charlie Alpha. Alright, looking good. Okay, GoPros are on, that's good, they didn't fall off. There's that glide slope. Alright, there's the ILS hold. Alright, there's the Mount Sac 152. Gonna pull in the run up and over on the app and just do a pre-takeoff checklist, make sure everything's good to go. The airport looks really good though. Alright, we'll spin this around.
Cessna 337 Charlie Alpha, Brackett Tower, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, left crosswind departure approved.
Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, left crosswind departure approved for Skyhawk 337 Charlie Alpha, thanks.
Cessna 3 Mike 0, say intentions.
Alright,
Back to contact, Air Max 0.
Cessna 3 Mike 0, turn
All right.
right at Echo, hold short, runway 26 right, remain this frequency.
Turn right, Echo, holding short 26, remain this frequency, Air Max 0.
let's go. Lights, camera, action. Alright. Here we go. Get her down. Speed's alive. 50, 55, rotate.
Cessna 8 mics here for exchange proof, see ya.
You're good, change proof, thanks. Number 68 up here.
Incidents are good, positive rate. Alright, we got the traffic on the left.
Cessna 3 mics here, cross runway 26 right, contact ground on the other side.
Crossing 26 right, contact ground on the other side. 2 mics here.
Cessna 7 Charlie Alpha, traffic heading to your left Cessna for left close traffic.
7 Charlie Alpha, we'll follow the boards, they're in sight.
Thank you.